In this video, I'll show you how to make a Lovable app mobile responsive. First, sign into your Lovable account and open the project you want to update. Review your app to identify any layouts or components that don't display well on smaller screens. Next, use the AI chat to describe the responsive changes you want. For example, ask Lovable to optimize the layout for mobile devices, stack content vertically, resize images, improve spacing, and make buttons easier to tap. After that, let Lovable apply the changes and review the updated design. Continue refining the layout by asking the AI to adjust specific sections, improve navigation, or make text more readable on mobile devices. Now, use the preview mode to test your app at different screen sizes. Check that menus, forms, images, and buttons display correctly and that every page is easy to use on a phone. Finally, save your changes and publish the updated version of your app. Your application will now provide a better experience for users on both desktop and mobile devices. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to make a Lovable app mobile responsive. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.